One day, Molketab attended a funeral ceremony held in their hometown of Jask. A gathering of people had come together to mourn a departed soul. After the ceremony concluded, a large snake suddenly slithered into the hall, striking fear into everyone present, while the women, terrified, screamed and fled one by one. Molketab stepped forward with calmness and unwavering courage. She placed her foot firmly on the snake's neck and, with a strength few possessed at that time, killed the fearsome creature. This act not only demonstrated Molketab's remarkable bravery, but also transformed her into a symbol of hope and strength for Baloch women. The tale of the deadly snake's slaying spread from town to town until everyone had heard it, from Zahedan to Chabahar, and even to the distant regions of Giavan, Sirik, Bamani, Kalengi, Taharoyi, and Mishi. The story reached every corner of Makran. Afterwards, the people, in honor of her courage, gave her the title Shirazal Baloch. In the old days, Shirzal referred to women whose hearts were as steadfast and brave as a lion's, and Shirzal Malik means a woman with the heart of a lion. The news of this event reached Ibrahim, the son of Hossein Mosafer. Curiosity and admiration sparked within his heart. He decided to see this brave woman in person. Early one morning, he set out from his hometown near Lurdaf and Chabahar, heading toward the land known as the people of Qibla, what is now called Jask. When he arrived at Ahmad's house, Mlektab's father, he stayed as their guest for several days. Ibrahim was won over by their warmth, sincerity, and noble character. Gradually, a deep affection blossomed within him, and he made his decision. He wanted to marry Molketab. After gaining the approval and permission of Molketab's parents, Ibrahim married her. Following several years of living with dignity, God blessed them with two noble sons named Shahi and Dadola.